Hey, my lovely. Today I'm asking you to stop trying to manifest and to start regulating your body instead. It's going to be really hard for you to manifest the life you want if you are in this constant state of struggle and stress and striving, yeah? If you're trying to do all the affirmations, if you're trying to do your journaling, if you're trying to be grateful for your life, then A, it's not actually coming from your heart space, it's all coming from your head space. And B, the fact that you're trying means that you don't know that it is already done. And it's that knowing that it is already done that makes the difference. That is how you manifest, yeah? That is how you quantum leap. You have to know it internally to be able to see it externally. There has to be no resistance, yeah, no resistance whatsoever to it all materializing in your life. But that trying energy, that desperation, that making sure you've got it right, that's what stops it all from coming. So for today, I want you to just put away everything that you've ever learned about reality creation or manifestation and just allow yourself to sit. Just sit here. Just sit here and breathe and know that it's done. Know that it's done even though you cannot see it. Just sit. Like my Tuesday videos for you, now they're all based around the body or nervous system regulation, yes. Tuesdays is all about the body, Thursdays is all about the mind, and Saturdays is all about the spirit. And you really need all three to be in alignment to manifest the life that you want. And that's why the three pillars of my signature program are identity, so that's spirit, their subconscious belief systems, so that's mind, and regulating your nervous system, which is your body. And the most important thing that you can do for yourself right now is to just release your stress. Release your stress. Release all of the thoughts that are causing you stress. 9 times out of 10, the thoughts that you're thinking are not true in the truest sense of truth, right? They're things that we have repeated. They are things that we're worrying about that actually don't concern us at all. They're stories that we've adopted from other people that we now get to live out and embody as though they were our own. But if you just become present in this here moment, you'll see that there is actually nothing wrong. Like 90% of the time, there is never anything wrong. If you're worrying about the future or feeling regretful about the past, you are bringing those time periods into your present moment. So just for now, just let them all go. Just breathe into your body. Feel the chair underneath you. Feel the floor underneath your feet. And know that in this here present moment, you are safe. In this moment, you don't actually need anything. If you're sitting here and you're feeling really pent up, like you've got all this excess energy that needs to go somewhere, I highly recommend jumping or bouncing. If your knees are a little bit dodgy or if your back's feeling a bit sore, then just bounce. Just flat-footed bouncing. Just shake your arms out, shake your legs out. Just allow your body to just move, right? Just release all that pent-up energy. You don't need to hold on to it, right? This is why walking or exercising is just so good for you and really good for your manifestations. It's because it allows you to release all the energy that you don't actually need anymore, right? You can just focus on the walking, you can just focus on the breathing, and you will relax, you will calm down. And obviously there's breathing exercises that you can do that I have explained in so many of my videos now. My favorite breathing exercise that I use literally every day that completely changed my life when I started using it is the heart math. heart math breathing. So that's in for a slow count of 5 and out for a slow count of 5. And if you do that for just 5 minutes a day for like 6 weeks, 8 weeks, or like me, the rest of your life, you will find that you will become more and more and more relaxed without doing anything more, right? So 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, and if you can, 5 minutes halfway through the day as well. I guarantee that if you practice this in the way that I've just told you, you will, over time, naturally become more and more and more relaxed. And when you get into that relaxed state, your brain opens up. You're more observant, you have more awareness, and more awareness means you are more conscious. And when you are more conscious, your manifestations just roll in. So for today, just focus on your body. Don't focus on the affirmations, don't focus on the scripting or anything else, right? Just focus on being relaxed. Make it your priority to feel at peace. Because again, it's that peace that brings you closer to I am consciousness, that brings you closer to everything that you want, because on the other side of having all that you want, you will feel that peace, right? This is living in the end, like I was talking about on Saturday. So just focus on your body, focus on relaxing, focus on shaking out all the excess energy, and just allow yourself to be. Now, if you're like a lot of my clients who typically in my signature program are 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs, or leaders in their field, they are very, very go-getty, right? We are very, very like high energy. We've got to keep going. If we don't keep going, then everything's going to fall apart. So this sitting exercise might actually just feel a little bit uncomfortable for you. But I want you to just embrace that discomfort and know that the more you do this, the easier you'll find it to be still. And you can't hear your intuition without this stillness. We can't hear all of our divine guidance when we're too busy doing all the things, right? So just allow yourself to be. And if it feels uncomfortable, just admit that, right? Yeah, I feel uncomfortable right now. And that's fine. I'm just going to wait until my 5-minute timer goes off. As soon as my timer goes off, I will go back and I will be able to do all the things that I'm telling myself I need to be doing right now. And then allow yourself to do that for a little bit at least, right? But like I say, over time, you're going to notice that you don't have that same urgency to get everything done because you do start trusting yourself more. Yeah? You'll start trusting yourself more. You'll start feeling more at ease by being in peace because it won't feel so unknown to you. Yeah? It won't feel so alien. Being at peace will soon become your default mode of being. And that's what you want. That is what you want. It doesn't mean we don't get to do things. It doesn't mean you're going to lose your vitality at all. It just means that you're going to be able to be more in control of when you're really going and when you're slowing down. Yeah? Hermetic principle of gender is the going and the getting. And this is what we want, right? If we're going, then the getting is harder, right? Because the universe is always looking for balance. If you're doing too much without feeling relaxed, without the accepting and the bringing in, you're out of balance, and that's why it feels bad. But likewise, if all you're doing is like sitting on a mat, just meditating all day, 24/7, then that probably isn't what you want to be doing either, right? We do need to be in the world. We need to let our little human character play. So find that balance. Like I say, the majority of people that come to work with me are very high-achieving, very go-getting people that actually find it really hard to just relax for 5 minutes, 3 times a day. So that's my challenge to you, yeah? Stop manifesting and start regulating your body instead. All right, my lovelies, the workshop on May 30th, I think it is, the last Saturday of the month, that's all about trusting the process and trusting yourself. Again, this exercise is really important in being able to trust yourself because you'll learn to listen to your intuition. So just practice this, yeah? 3 times a day, just allow yourself to just sit. Just sit and be and realize that in this moment there is nothing wrong. Yeah. Just be present. Just breathe. Just allow yourself this slight time out to just collect yourself. And the more you do this, the more you're going to hear those intuitive nudges that make life easier. When you follow them, life just slots into place like Tetris. Yeah. Like I say, the workshop is at the end of the month. If you want to join me on a call, the link is in the description. There's all new links now, so none of the other ones will work properly. So yeah, the new links are all in the description. I hope to see you on a call. Or in the YouTube membership. We've got our Q&A, our live Q&A. I think that's happening on this Saturday coming. So check out the community tab, check out the membership to join us on that. It really is a lot of fun. All right, my lovelies. Well, if I don't see you on a call, if I don't see you in the membership, then there's another video just there. So click on that one next. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.